Hi. During the war in Japan, this boy carried his dead brother on his back for burial. A soldier saw this and asked him to leave this dead child, as you would be very tired and unable to move forward. So the boy replied, "He's not Harry, he's my brother." The soldier understood and cried a lot. The image has since become a symbol of unity in Japan. Today it is imperative that we make this sentence the motto in life. ये Harry नहीं है, ये my brother है. If he falls, pick him up, help him when he's tired, and support him if he's weak. Forgive him if he makes a mistake, and if the world abandons him, take him on your shoulders. But take it because he's not Harry, he's my brother.